Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve real estate marketing with Realtor.com, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin improving your real estate marketing on Realtor.com, first, create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will find options to manage your listings and marketing tools. Select the Listings tab to see all your current properties. To add a new property, click the Add Listing button. Fill in the property details such as address, price, and features. High-quality photos are crucial, so upload clear images of both the interior and exterior. Make sure to include a catchy and informative description that highlights unique features. Once all details are filled in, review for accuracy before submitting. Next, optimize your listings with keywords that potential buyers might search for. Consider setting up a virtual tour to engage users more effectively. After your listings are live, monitor their performance regularly. Access the Analytics section to track views, inquiries, and engagement stats. Utilize the market insights provided by Realtor.com to adjust your marketing strategy. Engage with potential clients promptly through the platform's messaging features. Finally, promote your listings on social media to drive more traffic to your Realtor.com page. By following these steps, you can enhance your real estate marketing effectively. Stay updated with the latest tools and trends offered by Realtor.com to maintain your competitive edge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.